Hi friends, once again welcome back to my another video of crochet flowers. First of all, if you are my new viewer and you are watching my video first time, please do subscribe my channel. Crochet flowers are delicate and handcrafted decorative elements created using the art of crochet, a method of interlocking yarn or thread with a hooked needle. These small yet intricate creations reflect both artistic expression and technical skill. Each flower is usually composed of several parts, petals, a center, and sometimes leaves or stem, all carefully crafted and assembled to resemble natural botanical forms. The yarn the yarn used in crochet flowers can range from soft cotton and wool to silky threads and even metallic fibers, depending on the desired texture and finish. The hook size and yarn thickness greatly influence the final appearance. Finer threads produce daintier, more detailed blooms, while thicker yarns create fuller, more textured pieces. Some flowers may be tightly stitched for a compact, polished look, while others are crafted with looser stitches to create a soft, airy feel. Stitches commonly employed in crochet flowers include chains, slip stitches, single crochets, half double crochets, and double crochets, each contributing to different textures and petal shapes. Layers are often added to mimic the depth and dimension of real flowers, allowing the piece to achieve a lifelike quality. Petals may be pointed, rounded, or ruffled, with edges finished in contrasting stitches for added flair. Color selection plays a vital role in bringing crochet flowers to life. Crafters often use vibrant natural shades to imitate real blossoms, though stylized or monochrome versions are equally popular for more abstract or artistic applications. The finished flowers can be left flat or shaped three-dimensionally by using blocking techniques or incorporating wire for structure. These crochet pieces are versatile and widely used in various crafts, while some are sewn onto clothing, accessories, or home decor items like pillows and curtains. Others are assembled into garlands, buckets, or brooches. Regardless of their use, each flower embodies hours of craftsmanship, creativity, and attention to detail, making crochet flowers timeless and cherished handmade items. So guys, I really hope that you really enjoyed this video. If you have any question or if you have any request, so let me know in comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.